old Doug Furry Pitch just popping in there today. Ooh, yeah. The old saw shack's warming up now. Welcome to all the new subscribers and to everybody that comes here and supports. I just want to start this video off with a big thank you to anybody that comes here and watches the videos, and I want you to know how important your support is. It's very, very important, and it means a ton to me. Whether you come here and watch the video, whether you come here and watch the video and hit the like button, hit the thumbs up button, thumbs down button, if you super thanks, if you super chat, if you watch commercials, all of that helps this channel continue to do things like what goes on in this video. So I want you to show, I like to show things that come from the channel's support, and it's basically everything here that goes on now. Every little bit helps. It helps by chainsaw gas, 2-cycle oil, bar oil, chains, bars. It helps keep this channel rolling as far as for content and for all kinds of stuff, and all the support that has showed up, like the GoPros and all that kind of stuff. It's phenomenal to me. And all around this community, everybody's helping each other out, and I just love it. So I wanted to come on here and I wanted to thank you all for all your support, and let you know that everything that you do helps make things like this video and me going up and falling trees at my brother's. It all helps, and that's what makes it happen, is you, all of your support, comments, everything. It all adds up, and it all is very, very special and very, very appreciated. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Phenom and anybody else, Placeholder, Majestic Hunter, anybody else that's out there that wears headphones, after I get done with this part of the video, it's going to go to chainsaw. Okay? So you might want to turn the volume down right about now. Be kind. Love y'all. Oh yeah, roll on, Tasmaniacs. I love ya. That was a little close. Hey everybody, I'm up here at my brother's. Behind me you can see the beams, the poles for this pole shed, machine shed. Yeah, those came from the trees that we dropped up here earlier this summer. And here's some of the lumber. Look at this beautiful wood. There's more underneath this. Look at that. I got to get in there. You got to see that board. I don't know if I can zoom in the snow to see it. Look at that. Look at that board. That is beautiful wood. Oh yeah. Nice looking timbers. Real nice looking timbers. Yeah, my crazy brother's been up here working all winter. Got the concrete done just the other day. When did you get that done? Yesterday? Yesterday, yeah. Oh, look at this. Here's more. Here's more lumber. Look at them beautiful boards in there. That's a lot of lumber. More live edge right here for benches and shelves. And look at that beautiful. Look at it. Look at that. Good old Western larch. Look at those big timbers in there. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys and gals what we got, what they got out of it. We'll keep track of this progress. Awesome. Hope you're all having a great day. I am.